Good morning, children. Welcome back. I welcome you all for St. Joseph School, Vijaypur. Today we continue the class Planet Earth, Continents and Oceans. In previous video, you learned about Earth's 7 continents of the world and 5 oceans of the world. In today class, we discuss about globe, map, and directions. Let us study one by one. First, we discuss about globe. We cannot see the whole earth at time. A globe is small but accurate model of the earth. It shows exactly how the planet earth and it spins around itself. The globe can be called as the mini earth since it shows the exact location of places on it. However, since a globe is quite small, all places cannot be shown on it. In such cases, maps help us by identifying even small places in details. At one time, we cannot see the whole earth. A globe is a small but accurate means ನಿಖರವಾದ model of the earth. A globe is model of the earth. Globe shows exact location of places on the earth and it shows exactly how the earth spins around itself. It is called mini earth. Globe is also called mini earth. All places we cannot be identified properly on the globe. We have take the in case we take help of maps to identify the small places also. Now let us come to about maps. A map is a picture of the earth. A map is a picture of the earth drawn on a flat surface that shown landforms and water bodies. Maps greatly help in finding the exact location of even a small place that cannot be shown on a globe. Maps can be hang on a wall or spread across a large table. A book containing collection of different maps that makes the entire earth is called an atlas. It is the picture of the earth which is drawn on a flat surface to show landforms like plains, plateaus, etc. and water bodies like oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. We can find all small places on the map which we cannot be identified on the globe. We can hang the maps on the wall or we can spread it on the table also. A book containing collection of different maps that make the earth is called an atlas. So what is an atlas? What is an atlas? Collection of different maps that make the entire earth is called an atlas. Means a book of maps is called an atlas. What do you mean by atlas? A book of maps is called an atlas. Look at this picture, children. This is an atlas, book of maps. Next one is direction. A magnetic compass is an instrument which is used to find direction. It is a needle that always finds to the north. The instruments is used by sailors to find their way in the sea. As we know these days we all use magnetic compass to find the directions. It is an instrument to find the directions. There are main four directions. They are north, south, east and west. Magnetic compass has a needle which we always point the north. Look at this picture, children. This is instrument is used sailors means navikaru to find their way in the sea. This is the direction. To locate a particular place on the earth with the help of the map. Stand in front of a map of India with cities marked, probably one that is hang on a wall or on the class blackboard. Now try to locate India's capital Delhi on the map. You must remember that the four directions north, south, west and east are to your top, bottom, left and right respectively. Try and locate other cities of India. When we standing in front of a India map or other maps with the cities marked on it, try to locate India's capital city of Delhi. As I hold before, there are four directions. North is on top, south is in bottom, left in east and right in west. When we standing in front of the map, top is north, bottom is south, left is east and right is west. So Delhi is in north. Delhi is in north. We identify very easily which direction Delhi is. Yes, Delhi is in north. So this complete our second lesson, planet Earth, continents and oceans. So in this lesson we learned about the Earth is perhaps the only planet in the solar system known to support life. Continents are larger and extensive masses of land present on the Earth. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica are the 7 continents on the Earth. Oceans are vast and deep water bodies on the earth. The Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean are the 5 oceans on the earth. A globe is a small, accurate model of the earth. A map is a picture of a section of the earth drawn on a flat surface. Children, see this video once again properly and learn all 7 continents and 5 oceans, globe and maps. So children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.